Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by linking your TikTok business account to Ads Manager so tracking and billing work together. Once done, install the TikTok Pixel or Events API on your site to capture conversions. This matters because audience optimization uses real data. Make sure you have 3-5 mobile-first creatives, short captions, and a clear CTA ready. These assets speed up campaign creation. Also confirm payment method and account verification, now so ads won't stall when you launch. You now create a campaign and pick the objective that matches business goals because TikTok optimizes delivery around that signal. Next, set a campaign budget and create ad groups. Within each group, choose location, age range, and interest or custom lookalike audiences to shape who sees ads. Then define placements and an optimization goal. Pick conversions for sales or OCPM to control cost per action. Finally, choose a bid strategy and schedule. Keeping consistent windows helps the algorithm learn fast. You should launch with multiple small tests so the system can compare creatives and audiences. Allow 48 to 72 hours for stable data. Once data arrives, review CTR, CPA, and ROAS, pause poorly performing creatives and reallocate budget to winners, because rapid scaling without proof wastes spend. Scale winners gradually and keep a /B testing placements and captions. If delivery or tracking breaks, check Pixel events. Account verification and bid caps first. Those are the most common causes to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.